In the early days of the internet, as websites began to evolve, there was a need for a more dynamic and interactive web experience. In the mid-90s, the browser wars were heating up. Netscape, a pioneer, was leading the charge, but they needed an edge. Brendan Eich, a young programmer with a vision, was hired by Netscape. Of his initial job at Netscape, he stated, "I was hired to put Scheme in the browser." In just 10 days, Eich developed a new scripting language for Netscape. This language underwent several name changes to its eventual and now famous moniker, JavaScript. JavaScript quickly became the backbone of web interactivity. Its adoption skyrocketed, and it became an essential tool for web developers worldwide. From dynamic content loading to animations, JavaScript powered the modern web, making it more vibrant and user-friendly. Eich's influence in the tech world grew. He became a prominent figure, often speaking about the future of web technologies and the potential of JavaScript. In one conference, he stated, "JavaScript is the only language that's available in all browsers, making it the most accessible and universal language." But Eich's contributions didn't stop at JavaScript. He co-founded Mozilla, the organization behind the revolutionary Firefox browser, further shaping the web's landscape. In 2014, Brendan Eich's career took a significant turn. He was appointed as the CEO of Mozilla, a position that seemed fitting given his contributions. But with great power comes great scrutiny. The tech community, and the world at large, began to delve deeper into Eich's past. A story from Eich's past was resurfacing, and it would test the very principles of the open web community. The 1990s, a decade where the internet began its meteoric rise, connecting systems and societies. These early web pages were constructed using basic HTML, rendering static content with limited user interaction capabilities. Netscape Navigator, the dominant browser of its time, sought to elevate this experience. They envisioned a web that was not just readable, but also interactive. Brendan Eich was tasked with creating a scripting language that would run within the browser, enabling dynamic content manipulation. In a mere 10 days, Eich developed what was initially named Mocha. This prototype language underwent name changes, from LiveScript to finally JavaScript, aligning with the popularity of Sun Microsystems, Java. JavaScript's early capabilities included document object model, manipulation, event handling, and a prototype-based object system. While Java applets required separate plugins and had a heavier footprint, JavaScript ran natively in the browser, making it a more seamless choice for web developers. Tech giants soon recognized JavaScript's potential. Microsoft introduced JavaScript in Internet Explorer, while Google's V8 engine and Apple's Nitro further optimized JavaScript execution. JavaScript's capabilities expanded with Ajax, allowing for asynchronous data retrieval without page reloads. JSON, a subset of JavaScript, became the de facto standard for data interchange. The developer community embraced JavaScript, leading to the creation of libraries like jQuery, which simplified DOM manipulation, and eventually to more complex frameworks like Angular and React, which structured large-scale web applications. Eich played a pivotal role in standardizing JavaScript under the ECMAScript specification, ensuring consistency and paving the way for future enhancements. With the introduction of WebAssembly, JavaScript extended its reach, allowing other languages to run in the browser, yet further solidifying its central role in web development. Eich's journey with JavaScript was a testament to his vision and tenacity. But as the language soared, personal challenges awaited its creator. Mozilla, a bastion of open source and digital freedom, was on the cusp of a defining moment. 2014 saw Brendan Eich ascend to the role of CEO at Mozilla, but the initial optimism was soon overshadowed. Journalists began spotlighting a particular donation made by Eich back in 2008. The donation was in support of Proposition 8. This California ballot proposition aimed to amend the state constitution to recognize marriage only between a man and a woman, effectively seeking to ban same-sex marriage. Public records revealed that Eich had donated $1,000 in support of this proposition. In a state and industry known for its progressive leanings, this revelation was contentious. The tech community, deeply intertwined with the broader cultural push for LGBTQ+ rights, found itself grappling with this revelation. The digital realm was ablaze. Calls for accountability echoed alongside debates about personal beliefs versus professional roles. Within Mozilla's walls, the atmosphere was charged. Employees were divided, with some openly questioning Eich's leadership potential in light of his personal beliefs. Eich, amidst the storm, tried to assuage concerns. He stated in a blog post, "I am committed to ensuring that Mozilla is and will remain a place that includes and supports everyone, regardless of sexual orientation, gender identity, age, race, ethnicity, economic status, or religion." The tech world reacted. OkCupid, a dating site, even urged its users to switch browsers, stating, "We've devoted the last 10 years to bringing people, all people, together." If individuals like Mr. Eich had their way, then roughly 8% of the relationships we've worked so hard to bring about would be illegal. Mozilla's board faced a conundrum. The balance between recognizing a tech visionary's contributions and upholding community values was delicate. The clock was ticking and the tech world awaited a resolution. His future at Mozilla was uncertain. April 3, 2014, a date that would be etched in Mozilla's history. Brendan Eich resigned as CEO of Mozilla a mere 11 days after his appointment. In his resignation statement, Eich said, "I have decided to resign as CEO effective today and leave Mozilla. Our mission is bigger than any one of us, and under the present circumstances, I cannot be an effective leader." The tech community was deeply divided. Some saw it as a necessary step for Mozilla's integrity, while others viewed it as a loss for the organization. In the aftermath, Mitchell Baker, Mozilla's executive chairwoman, stated, "Mozilla believes both in equality and freedom of speech. We stand for openness and that the web should be accessible to everyone, irrespective of their beliefs." The company redoubled its commitment to diversity and inclusion. Eich, though no longer at Mozilla's helm, was far from done. His passion for a free and open web remained undiminished. He co-founded Brave, a web browser focused on privacy and ad blocking, and introduced the basic attention token, revolutionizing web monetization. JavaScript, Eich's brainchild, continued its meteoric rise, powering web applications, servers, and even IoT devices. Despite the controversy, Eich's technical contributions remained undeniable. His legacy in shaping the modern web was celebrated. The tech world, ever evolving, continued its journey towards inclusivity, understanding, and innovation. The Brendan Eich saga serves as a reminder of the complexities of the tech world, a blend of innovation, beliefs, and the relentless pursuit of a better digital future.